how to add timer to OBS. So first go to OBS and then you can just click on the plus icon here under sources. Click on text. Now here let's just name this as timer. Then click OK. Now here you can edit the properties of the timer here. And then so as for me, I'll just skip this. Just click OK. Now here you can just click on tools here at the top. Then click on scripts. Now here click on plus. Then you can just select the countdown.lua here. And then you can set the duration of the timer here. And then you must select your source, which is the source that we created earlier. Let's just select this one. As you can see, the timer here. And then let's just click on close. And then now here, now you have your timer. Okay. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.